Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about bookkeeping services for dental practices. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. I will try to personally reply to your comments. As a dentist, you are focused on giving your patients healthy, beautiful smiles. But as a self-employed dentist, you also have to think about getting your finances, payroll, and taxes right for your practice. While most taxpayers do not need to spend too much time worrying about the IRS, many dentists are both small business owners and high-wage earners. This means you could be more likely to hear from the IRS. And the IRS say they sent more than 2 million notices just for math errors on forms. Therefore, today I'm going to talk about what you can do to make sure you're getting your taxes right and reducing the possibility that the IRS will come knocking on your door. These methods can make tax time easier for dentist practice owners. First thing you want to do is get organized now. It's much easier to sort through everything now. In fact, reviewing and organizing your records monthly helps spreads the workload throughout the year instead of cramming it all into a year-end rush. Take time to go through any forms you have already filed, like Form 941, to check for accuracy. Make sure to confirm EIN numbers, social security numbers, and anything else the IRS might use to identify you or your employees. And when you are done, move all your forms, invoices, and receipts into the same place. Whether it's online or in a physical folder, so you will be ready for tax time. Next thing you want to do is find an accountant who understands taxes for practices like yours. The tax code changes all the time, and it's your accountant's job to keep up with them. Some of those changes will affect you as a high-wage earner, others as a small business owner, and some taxes will affect your practice. Ideally, your accountant should be knowledgeable about laws specific to dental practices and keep you informed if there are new or different deductions that might change the way you run your business. The next thing you want to do is talk to your tax accountant early and often. Carving out a few minutes every January to make sure you are making things easy for your accountant can help reduce the risk of a mistake come April or an audit later. But I recommend talking to your tax accountant more often than twice a year. In fact, I recommend chatting regularly, even monthly. You will have a better handle on your business and can plan for any tax law changes regarding income and expenses in real time. Allows you and your accountant to catch any mistakes early, and your accountant will know your business better and be more empowered to offer proactive consultative advice. Based on research conducted, small business owners who have a strong relationship with their accountant are 32% more likely to expect a significant increase in revenue over the next year. Also, get help with payroll. Just as it's crucial to bring in some expert help with taxes, you should consider getting some assistance with payroll. A payroll service provider will be able to calculate and remit those taxes accurately and on time, alleviating a headache for you. You may also want to check to see if any of your other service providers offer to help with tax issues. For example, we offer services to help with payroll issues that dental practice owners are having with their payroll reporting forms. On the other hand, you can set up a 401k. When you offer a 401k or other qualified retirement plan, employer contributions and some administrative fees are tax deductible if they meet certain criteria. And qualified employers can receive a 500 per year tax credit for the first 3 years of the plan. Plus, an employee of your practice, you will be able to take advantage of tax deferred savings with your company 401k as well. To make sure the plan seamlessly integrates with your current back office system and payroll deductions, contact your payroll service provider to see what retirement saving plan they offer. Document meals and travel expenses carefully. The line between business and personal expenses can get a little blurry, but you should take care to make the distinction as sharp as possible. Not separating expenses once or twice might not be a big deal, but if you get into a habit of doing so, your business expenses may end up being completely inaccurate. Plus, the Tax Cut and Job Act of 2017 not only eliminate many dentists' ability to write off entertainment expenses, but also reduce the deduction for most business meals to 50%. Be prepared for the IRS to heavily scrutinize write-offs for these items related to your practice if they haven't already. The next thing you want to do is document your charitable donations. Charitable donations are a wonderful way to help your community, and they can result in significant tax deductions. However, if your donation seems too big for your income bracket, the IRS is likely to want a closer look at your books. Make sure you maintain good records of your charitable donation, and if you're going to claim non-cash deductions over $500, be sure to file a Form 8283. Also, be careful about whether you classify charitable donations as personal or business write-offs. These are a number of limitations and special requirements for different types of business entities. Pay vendors in December. If your business uses the cash method of accounting instead of the accrual method, this tip is for you. The cash method requires that you calculate your income and expenses based on when the cash goes in and out of your bank account. By paying bills in December, even if they are not due until January, you can decrease your taxable income in the current year, which in turn reduces your tax liability. As a dental practice owner, you can buy now, save later. If you expect to make large purchases of equipment or other business items early in the new year, it might be a good idea to buy them a little ahead of schedule to take the deduction for your current tax year. Just remember that a deduction isn't exactly an equal return for the money spent. Check with your tax advisor to be sure that spending now will reduce your overall tax burden, not just push it out until later. Also, be prepared for W-2s and 1099s. All year long, you have been withholding payroll taxes and sending them along to the IRS and your state agency if required. In January, you should have provided your employees with W-2s and contractors with 1099s so they can complete their taxes. Do not wait until the last minute when you are finalizing an entire year's worth of your business income and expenses. Set aside some time early in to get this done before crunch time. Or if you partner with a payroll service provider, all of this can be taken care of for you. When you take a few proactive steps throughout the year to get your practice tax time prep in shape, April just might end up being one of your favorite times of the year. Plus, you will be free to do more of what you enjoy and spend less time going back and forth with your accountant. Thanks for watching this video. If you need help with bookkeeping and payroll services for your dental practice, feel free to contact me with the email address in the description of this video.